once again, we are drawing another Chased by Dinosaurs exclusive sea monster. Amazing. Tonight, we're gonna draw Cymbospondlys. This sea animal was one of the first ever prehistoric sea creatures from the late Triassic. I didn't even know there were sea animals that lived in the Triassic. At first, I thought that Cymbospondlys was a mosasaur, but actually this guy's an ichthyosaur. I know. Weird, right? This guy was found in one of the most deadliest seas from the ancient past. Unlike the ancient seas we have today, these sea animals are what they call, well, one of the fearsome predators. He's one of the top 10. I always knew that, this guy was one of the deadliest. I mean, I knew this guy would be included on one of the slots, but I never thought that, well, I always thought that Hyneria would be on the top slot. But Cymbospondylus being in one of the on Chased by Dinosaurs, that's amazing as well. Not bad. There we go. Now we draw these lines here. Face the rock. There we go. And done. There we are. This is how you draw. That's how you draw Cymbospondylus. One of the best of the best. Done. There we go. That is how you draw Cymbospondylus. Found in its fossil finds are from North America, Europe, and possibly Asia. And it's codenamed as the largest ichthyosaur of all time. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. Found in Nevada in 1868. Now that's something. And, it was in the middle. It was in the middle Triassic where it was founded. Not the late Triassic. Who knew? That's all for now, guys. Good night.